Hello everyone, welcome to statistics class. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, press bell icon and press all button so that you can get instant notifications of more videos. In today's class, 5 marks and 10 marks important questions and most likely questions which are going to appear for annual examination we shall have for discussion based on time series analysis chapter. In that, fitting of straight line trend equation, or it will be even called as linear trend equation fitting by the method of least squares, we shall have in today's class. Let's have this 10 mark question for our discussion. The question given is, for the following data regarding production of a sugar factory, find the trend values and estimate the production for the year 2012 by fitting linear trend equation y is equal to a plus bx. It's clearly mentioned in the question that y is equal to a plus bx, that is linear trend has to be fitted. So let's have the solution. Linear equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Let's call this equation to be equation number 1. Here y is representing production and x is representing years. In any question given, x will be represented by the time points and y will be represented by the production, import, export, whatsoever it is given in the question. And then these two a and b are constants. They are to be calculated using normal equations. So a and b are calculated as follows. Two normal equations we have to get. How to get those normal equations is, first apply summation for equation number 1. That is, towards left hand side y is there. If we apply summation, it will become summation y. And then equals to a is there. It is to be applied summation. A is a constant. Summation n times when we apply to any constant, we are going to get n multiplied by that particular constant, that is na. Then plus bx is there. B is constant, we can keep it outside, and summation x, because x is a variable, for that summation has to be applied. Then another normal equation we can get by applying summation x to this particular equation 1. Towards left hand side y is already there and summation x we are applying, so summation x is the applied one and y is already there, so it becomes summation of xy. Both x and y are variables. Under summation we need to write them. Then equals a is a constant and summation x is being applied, that can be written as it is, plus b is constant and 1x is already there and summation x, it is being applied, so that it becomes summation x square. So these are the two normal equations which will be used to find out constants a and b. So let's call them as equation number 2 and equation number 3. If summation of x is equal to 0 by chance, then what happens? We can observe. You may ask me a question now, sir, you have taken x as the values of times, that means years, whatever it is given, they are into already 4 digits, and you are asking here if sum of x is equal to 0, how could it happen? Yes, you are right, but for our convenience, to reduce the calculational complications, we will be making summation of x equal to 0 by making some of the transformations to those years 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever they have been given. Let's see later how that transformations can be done and to be obtained summation of x equal to 0. If by chance summation of x equal to 0 is already there, then what happens to these two equations we can observe here. This term entirely goes to 0 because summation of x equal to 0 means 0 multiplied by b equals to 0. In the similar way, this term also goes to 0. Now, we have to calculate a and b. So here a is there. This n can be shifted to left hand side. That becomes summation of y divided by n. That means this equation 2 implies a is equal to, this a is equal to sum of y divided by n. Sum of y divided by n. In the similar way, equation 3 implies, what happens to equation 3? This b we want, so b can be written as it is. This summation of x square can be sent towards left hand side. That becomes summation of xy divided by summation of x square. So we can get easily a and b values after calculating summation of y, summation of xy and summation of x square. And after that, if we substitute these a and b calculated values in this linear trend equation, I mean the equation 1 whatever we have taken as linear equation, there if we substitute them, we can get the fitted linear trend equation. Now, let's take down for the further calculations the given values. Years are given already 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then productions are given. Let's consider them to be y, 90, 85 till 102. Since we need summation of y here, let's add all these values. We are going to get 687. And after that, divided by n. What is n? N is nothing but how many number of values are given. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n equals to 7. So a easily we can get by substituting summation of y value and n, that is 687 divided by 7. Therefore, a is equal to 687 divided by 7. If we perform, we are going to get 98.1428. 98.1428. So this is what is a value. We have got one constant now, and then we have to get b. For that, we need to have summation of xy. X values are there into 4 digits. I told you x should be calculated by some transformation. What is the transformation is? These x will be calculated by x minus mid value among all these given years values. So in this 7 values, which is the middlemost observation? Is it not 2007? So that x minus mid value, that is 2007, divided by the width of these years. How much is the difference between each and every observations here in these years? We have to consider 2004, 5, 6, 7 means 1 is the width. So x minus 2007 divided by 1. This transformation has to happen. Now these x values can be substituted by all these given values. In the sense, first we shall apply 2004 and then 2005 and then 2006, 2007. In the same way, continuously till 2010 it is to be applied and transformed values of x we have to get. So 2004, if I substitute here, 2004 minus 2007, is it not minus 3 divided by 1 means again it will become minus 3. In the similar way, 2005 if it is put, it becomes minus 2, 2006 minus 1, 2007 if we put 2007 minus 2007, it will become 0, 0 divided by 1 is 0. In the similar way, if we calculate further, we are getting these values of x. So when we add all these values of x, whatever we have got, certainly we are getting summation of x equal to 0. Now, in order to get this b, we want summation of xy. That means xy we have to get. What is y? 90, 85, all these values. And what are x values? These transformed ones. So this multiplied by this. 90 multiplied by minus 3. Is it not minus 270? Yes, because 90 multiplied by 3 is 270, plus into minus is minus. So in the similar way, when we calculate all these multiplications, which will get, okay, now we have got all these x multiplied by y values. We have to take the sum of these, so that when we add all these values, we are going to get the value as 96. Then summation of xy divided by summation of x square. That means x square values are needed to be calculated and summed over. So x square values we have to calculate. Minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. So after calculating these, add all these, we are going to get 28. So now we can get easily this b. Summation of xy is 96 divided by summation of x square is 28. When we calculate this, we are going to get 3.4285. So b value also we have got. So both a and b, when we have got, linear trend equation is linear trend equation, that is fitted linear trend equation, is y cap is equal to a plus bx. A is 98.1428 plus b, that is 3.4285 and x. So once when fitted equation we are writing, it will be represented by cap. That's why y cap we have written. See here, a plus bx. A value estimated 1 plus as it is, then b value and x as it is. So this is what the fitted linear trend equation. Now we have to get for the year 2012 the production value. We can use this y cap equation, whatever we have got. Using this, we can get for 2012 what is the production. So for 2012, x is equal to, because all these years we have transformed using this particular equation. For 2012, whenever estimation has to happen, again we have to use this transformation. X minus 2007 divided by 1. In place of x, this 2012 has to be put, minus 2007 divided by 1. So is it not 5? Yes. X equal to 5. This x equal to 5 to be substituted in this particular equation in place of x here. Therefore, y cap 2012 is equal to 98.1428 plus 3.4285 as it is. In place of this x, it is to be put 5. So y cap 2012 is this much. Now, what further it is asked in the question, once again we can observe what was given. Find the trend values and estimate the production for 2012 by fitting linear trend equation. Fitting of this linear trend equation is completed. For 2012 also we have calculated. Now it's needed to be calculated these trend values. So trend values calculation in the sense, for all these years, these x whatever transformed values are there, those are to be substituted in this fitted linear equation one by one in place of this particular x. So now trend values for 2004, one calculation we can perform. For 2004, what x value have to substitute? -3. So now y cap 2004 is equal to, as it is these two terms in place of x -3, 98.1428 plus 3.4285 multiplied by -3. When we perform this, we are going to get the value 87.8573. Now, for 2005, 2006, 2007, all these remaining values, we have to substitute x values as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. When we substitute all those remaining trend values, we are getting. One calculation showing is enough, and you can write similarly all trend values are calculated. All trend values are calculated, and they are so if you calculate this much, certainly you're going to get 10 marks without fail. Hope you have understood, students. Here, the questions which have been appeared already in the previous years of board examinations, some of such questions are picked and given for your practice in the next page. Practice them. Once when you will sit and work out, you can get complete confidence in solving those kind of problems. So here are the some questions based on your previous years of board exam question papers. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions have been given for your practice. Practice well and get perfection. Thank you. Save the phone number, message in WhatsApp to join WhatsApp broadcast group. Please note, don't call to the given number, only WhatsApp. You can join Telegram group also. Link is given in the description box. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. You can express your views in the comment box. Please share the video to your friends and juniors. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.